Hi, I'm with Trusted Plumbing and Heating. If you're wondering how to flush a water heater, you're not alone. In this quick video, I'll explain why flushing matters and when you should call a pro for help. Flushing your water heater removes sediment that builds up inside the tank over time. Too much sediment can slow down efficiency, raise your energy bills, and even cause permanent damage to your heater. You might notice strange sounds, discolored water, or water that doesn't heat up as well as before. These are common indicators that it might be time to flush your water heater. Before you do anything, make sure your heater is turned off, the water cools down, and you're wearing protective gear. Safety comes first anytime you're working around hot water and plumbing components. First, shut off power or gas to your water heater. Then, turn off the cold water valve. Attach a hose to the drain valve and make sure the other end leads outdoors or to a safe drain. Open the drain valve to let the water and sediment flow out. To rinse the tank, briefly turn on the cold water supply, helping push out leftover debris until the water runs clear. Once you're done, close the drain valve, remove the hose, and turn the cold water supply back on. Let the tank fill, restore power or gas, and you're finished. If anything feels unsafe, or you run into problems with the valves, the tank, or draining, it's best to call our team at Trusted Plumbing and Heating. We're trained to handle it all efficiently. Save time and avoid unexpected repairs by getting your water heater flushed by a pro. Call or visit us at trustedplumbingheating.com to schedule today. Thanks for watching. For more details, visit our blog post linked below and stay tuned for more tips.